Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bobbi, and do me a huge favor, on account it's free and all, child. Please just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the post bell notification. That way you can be notified every time I upload. Now, if y'all are not new here, y'all know how I do, and we are not zoomed into the struggle eye. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and struggle through both eyes with you guys, and today I picked yellow. So because you know we're in the monochromatic series, but I'm thinking about doing something really cute and really special for my eyes. It's gonna be simple but really pretty, if that makes sense. So to save time, child, I have the rest of my face already done. So let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Now the introductions and all is okay, guys. So possibly we're going to be working in 2 palettes, but for sure we're going to be working in 1. Possibly I might make a look with, hold on, it took me forever. Y'all know packaging be playing me, and it took me for that whole time just to get this off. Anyways, I want to use the Afrique palette by Juvias place, and I want to use this yellow right here to go with this yellow right here, but I also want to make kind of more like a chocolatey kind of lid. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to try and get some pigment, honey, on this stuff. Let me pin my hair back. And I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you closer so you can see my face, because I know that's really frustrating when you can't even see anything. So here's my mug. Okay, and let's go ahead, and I'm going to use just a little bit. Actually, no, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Loreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and this is in the shade 355. And if you guys can see and tell, like, it's just like so much lighter than my actual skin tone. Now that I low-key look like a bronzed albino, you know, bronze right here and albino up here. Anyway, that was a bad joke, don't listen to that. So on this fluffy Sonia Kashuk brush, that it's stained, it's not actually. It was stained with a black. So I'm gonna take Aya, I believe that's how you say it, but please don't hold it against me if that's not how you say it. And Aya is the yellow shade that's right here. So I'm just gonna take Aya, fully saturate that, and I'm going to just tap for pigmentation all over it. Ooh, this is coming out kind of cute in person. Yeah, and it's coming out cute on camera too. Okay, I was afraid that the pigment wouldn't be there because I already had makeup on, but she is. And I'm going to take Aya on my lower lash line already and sweep it underneath there. See, I think it might be a little bit too warm, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and go in with this shade, and this shade is called Addicted, and it's in the Morphe 35E. Oh my gosh, my face is coming out okay. Finally adjusted. How nice. Okay, and I might try to blend out Addicted with this shade called In the Zone. So Addicted and In the Zone, maybe try and blend those out, but I just want like a nice gradient from chocolatey brown to Aya. So, but I definitely want to keep the pigmentation of Aya. Okay, this is a little Profusion blending brush, but I'm gonna go ahead and take Addicted on this. So you guys, before I do a makeup look, I normally have visions of these makeup looks. Now, not like creepy juju visions, but like a thorough mapped out thing in my head of what I want my makeup look to look like. And I do that with like everything, like how if I want to redecorate, I do that with that as well, or something like that. But literally this, like, it's not going the way that I envisioned, because I don't know, for some reason I just was like, oh bitch, you got a chocolatey brown. Everybody has a chocolatey brown. Not me. Not this guy. Let's see, I'm gonna blend this up only a little bit higher, and I do want it to remain kind of seamless. And I think that this yellow is more cool toned and this is more cool toned, so I'm definitely not gonna use the shade In the Zone at all. I'm gonna go ahead and keep the shades Addicted and Aya the only two. And honestly, I really, really, really love how this came out. These colors, it's almost like a purpley brown. I love it. So let me get this other eye done real quick. Okay, and from the Morphe 35V palette, I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Shameless. And Shameless is this shade right here. It's just a really beautiful champagne-y color. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on my inner corner right here, just so it's a little beamy, you know? Just like open my eyes up a little bit more than they actually are. Okay, so I'm gonna take this JH43 and then I'm gonna dip it into Addicted. And I'm going to just run it along below right here, connecting these two, but not bringing it down too low. I'm going to take the Shockwave eyeliner, and this one is the shade Ice Creamin', which sounds like ice cream. Yeah, I get it now. Okay. It comes off on my hand like that. Let's see how it comes off on the eyeball. Okay.
Hey guys, Editing Bobbi here. So I just wanted to tell you really quickly that I love the yellow pencil and I love the yellow on the lower lash line, but that brown was not it. So I basically cover it up with this yellow pencil. Don't do it.
So yeah, this is a really good area if you wanted to stop. But you know me, I like to take things to the next level, okay? Because this is yellow, baby. This is yellow if there ever was some. So I'm gonna curl my eyelashes real quick and I'll be right back. So I have my eyelashes curled, and I did go with a little bit more of Aya and the Neon Shockwave eyeliner, and I put a lot more of it on the bottom and try to just cancel out that brown because it wasn't working with me. I didn't like it. So now here's the fun part. This is what we're here for, baby. Okay, so here is the Belle and Argent lip gloss, and this is in the shade Completely Foxy. Now I'm going to show you Completely Foxy on my hand. So this is Completely Foxy sheared out a little bit. That's its color concentrated. It's a gloss. It's super cute. So I'm going to put a couple of those dips onto my finger, or on my hand, and with the same brush that I put my inner corner highlight on with, I'm going to dip that just into saturating both sides of this, and we are going to make a glossy eye. Okay guys, because I love a glossy eye in the summertime. It does not keep, okay, it's not gonna keep for hours, but it's a cute editorial kind of look. I'm sorry my lips are so ashy. Don't look at them. But look, guys. And Belle and Argent's lip glosses are really good for this. They're like so thick, sticky, they got staying power. Like, this is insane. So this is completely safe to use like this. And this shade right here, guys, it matches perfectly with the shade Addicted that I put underneath of here. So we're doing yellow, but make it glossy, okay? That's what we're doing today. So this is my one yellow glossy eye. I'm gonna do the other eye really, really quickly. And this stuff does get everywhere. It will go everywhere. It's gonna move. It's gonna heat up with your body heat and stuff like that, okay? So, because most lip glosses are of a petroleum kind of base. So don't be alarmed when that happens. Like I told you, this look has a shelf life, basically, okay? Also, I was kind of thinking about it, and I thought that it would be perfect for those falscara fast like lashes. I'll link my video for that down below, and I'll also link the video for my Belle and Argent lip swatches and stuff that I did, because I did a video and review on their products as well, which I happen to love them. Decision time, guys, for real, for real. So I have this beautiful hard candy velvet mousse matte lip color, and this is in the shade Foxglove. Ooh, it's so pretty, isn't it? And it matches my eye really well. Or I have NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Beauty Mark, which I think is a little bit darker but more chocolatey. Like, this is the more of the color that I wanted, but I have a lot of cool tone browns and I didn't even realize. So, because see, this Beauty Mark is very warm and Foxglove is very cool toned, but they both are matte, they both dry down, and I love both of the formulas. So it's a matter of color. I think I'm gonna go with Foxglove. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on Foxglove real quick. Oh my God, why am I greenish yellow? Come on, adjust my color. Finally. Okay. So we're gonna do something a little different. Aha. What movie is that from, guys? What movie is that from? From Princess Bride. Yeah, where the dude, the little witch doctor that they go to, he's like, aha, aha. You don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah. I get it, I'm crazy. So I needed to sharpen this because we're gonna use it again. Y otra vez, okay? Ah, shit. We gotta get for trying to be cute and speak Spanish. I literally just spilt a good chunk of this on my freaking pants. Oh my God. What is wrong with me today? Is that lipstick? No, okay. God, at least I can save face on camera. I be telling y'all whenever crazy stuff happens behind the scenes. Let me know if y'all want me to start leaving that out. You know, if you want an air of professionalism here. Okay, so I wonder if this will work. It does. Oh my God, hold on, let me zoom you in so you can see it. But I have the Makeup Revolution baking oil, and I want to make a line right here. You see how it just like the lip oil, the lipstick is gone. Now that I have my cute little line, Okay, I'm going to take my yellow. Now, if you have like a P. Louise base or something like that, that would probably work a lot better than what I have, but I'm gonna use what I have, okay? You gotta learn to use what you got. Now I'm gonna take the shade Aya on a little bitty angled brush, and I'm just for color pigmentation's sake, because not that this is patchy, but I want it to match the same color that I have on my eyes, on my lips. And this one's a little bit warmer of a color, and this is more of a cooler yellow, if that makes sense. So let me take Aya on this little bitty brush. Do I not look like a yellow warrior right now? I feel like I do. Is it racist if you're also Indian and you go, oh, is it? I think I just did anyways. Anyways, oh my God. Okay, so first, I'm completely obsessed with this eye look on its own. And this lip is so, it's like powerful. You know what I'm saying? It's like very powerful. Okay, like I might rock your shit a little bit, but I won't, because I'm a nice lady. Okay. Okay, so that was my tutorial for my monochromatic yellow shade, and I'm really happy that I found these. I think since I did yellow, I have now left only two things, and it is the purple and the blue, and I'm so torn. I guess you'll have to subscribe to find out which one I do next. Okay, so I want to give a shout out to I think Yvetta 8. So right there, and then also Makeup with the Bean. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and commenting on my stuff and watching my content as usual. If you want a shout out, then please just give my channel a comment down below or subscribe. You know, be a part of my little family I got going on over here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.